Welcome to Clarusway. It's good to have you guys here. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is an extremely sought-after career, and Salesforce professionals are high in demand, so training in Salesforce will result in highly paid jobs. Salesforce was ranked as the leading CRM for the 9th consecutive year. More than 150,000 businesses and 30,000 nonprofits, including 99% of Fortune 500 customers across all industries, are using Salesforce. These customers range from the public sector to marketing to health and beyond. Did you know that it is predicted that there will be 9.3 million jobs within the Salesforce ecosystem by 2026? However, there's still a huge digital gap that needs to be filled, and the best talents are the ones that need to be attracted. This gap amplifies competition and demands the talents, which will result in a boost in a salary for those people that get those jobs. Companies are willing to employ individuals with Salesforce talent along with various industry experiences. This means that you can work in a field that you're already familiar with. No matter what your background is, you can still work on projects within these sectors that you are already familiar with to implement your knowledge of Salesforce. It can be marketing, sales, hospitality, health, and so on. This can be your best starting point, and you can diversify from here. So because of the undeniable growth, Clarusway has built one of the best Salesforce administration, development, and consultant pathways ever, which are prepared by the experts in the software Ohana. Clarusway seeks to reach one goal: to equip learners worldwide with tech skills that meet the needs of this ever-expanding Salesforce ecosystem. Are you ready to enhance your skills? Are you ready to be the one employers choose for their Salesforce? So as the Salesforce ecosystem gains momentum, you can be the one. Reach out to us here at clarusway.com and reserve your seat today. The next course starts August 29th, 2022. Don't miss out.